guys, so welcome to another video. Naata karon sa Bugo City and we're going to discover a cafe. Very nice kaayo. Atong tan-awon kung unsay lami nila nga pagkaon, unsay mga giserve nila diri. By the way, sa katong wala pa kakita sa akong video, I'm Dr. Herbert Ryan Cruz, your friendly travel and food blogger. So, tara, ubani ko ninyo. Guys, naarta karon sa Cafe Nara diri sa Bugo City. So, atong tan-awon kung unsa kanindot ang lugar o nya mangutana ta unsay mga lami nila nga pagkaon diri. Tara. The place is so cozy and then bugnaw kayo siya, no? It's very relaxing to the eyes and then nindot kayo ilang furnitures and then nindot pud kayo like concept. I'm with Sir Mark and naata karon sa Cafe Nara. Ato siya interviewon kung unsay mga bestseller nga pagkaon diri, no? Sir, unsay ma-recommend nimo nga food?
Yeah, as of now, sir, ang bestseller is our premium meal, the grilled back ribs. And we also have another best-selling food like sa atong mga deep fried chicken with dips with flavor like bourbon sauce, buffalo sauce, garlic parmesan sauce.
So, aside sa food na unsa pay mga, do you have some snacks or?
Yeah. We also have the burgers, sir. We have sandwiches,
okay.
and also, especially our best-selling pizzas.
Pizza.
Yeah, we have like 7 kinds of pizzas. We have the thick one, the thin one.
For the coffee, unsay ma-recommend nimo nga bestseller ninyo diri sa?
Also for our coffee, we have here we have the Nara Latte. It's our signature drink, and also the best-selling one. Most of the customers order this one. They will try Nara Latte.
Yeah, so, naka-try na mag-go diri sa Cafe Nara and I really like the Nara Latte. Lahi gid siya o ganang taste, no, from other coffee. So, sir, can you tell us your store hours dere? Every day ba mo mag-open? What time?
Yeah, yes sir. Here sa coffee shop, Cafe Nara Coffee Shop, our time is from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And now we have our cocktail bar, Nara Bar and Garden. The time for the store hours for this is from 1 p.m. to 12 midnight with premium cocktail drinks and open mics.
Okay. Yeah. So, karon lagi ko nakabalik diri sa Cafe Nara. Bago ba nag-open ang bar?
Yes sir, this year lang.
So, aside sa cafe ditong side, bago lang gid gi-open nila ang ilang bar area, no? So, this is the Nara Bar by Cafe Nara.
And also we are expanding here. We have the other one here. We are creating like a videoke rooms. Yeah.
That's nice. Kay dako man gyud kayo ang area dere. So, sa mga customers, unsay usual ninyo nga mga muanhi dere? From local, from Bugo ba or kanang
we have we have sir from like local here from Bugo, and also we have like vacation people like from city will go to San Remigio, to Bantayan, stopover.
So guys, nana akong food karon, no, nga gi-serve diri sa Cafe Nara. And today, special kaayo kay naa ko 2 of my close friends na doctors who will be joining us. So, welcome Dr. Almira Ancahas, the Doki Deer of Bugo, a family medicine and mental health specialist. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. And also, Dr. Jaisel Valiente, the dentist of Valiente Dental Clinic in Daan, Bantayan. Hello. Good morning ninyo. So, dagan kay tag-food karon, guys. No? So,
timing kaayo kay wala pa jud ko ka breakfast.
That's good. So, siguro both of them customers na diri sa Cafe Nara.
Being a regular customer, his was open. Beer is back.
So,
and fan jud ko sa ilang ilang specialty coffee.
Yeah, the Nara Latte. So, lami kayo siya. So, try it, guys. And also their food, no? So, tagsa-tagsaon tanig tilaw.
Yeah, to start up, we have here the Nara full plate. It's composed with Hungarian sausage, bacon. It's silog in a full plate, in a one plate. We also have here the chicken wings. We have here the Nara pizza. Our best seller, the grilled back ribs. We have the chicken wings with garlic parmesan flavor, the meat overload pizza, the thin crust. the Nara nachos, and our truffle pasta. And also we have here the one of the delicacy from Bugo, the Gorios torta.
So sige, Rai. So may unahon na to taste ani.
So let's start with the nachos, no?
Okay, which is their appetizer.
Appetizer.
One of their appetizers.
Sige.
Okay, sumptuous kaayo tanawon.
Yeah, so daghan kaayo
See guys,
mayonnaise and
Gouda
cheese,
diet.
no?
Kinahanglan jud nimo sa bulan og ilahang
Meat. So as you can see, daghan siya sauce on top, meat.
So kato mga cheese lover, maganahan jud ani.
Yes, yes. May ano?
Walang ubat, pero medyo lamig yan.
Miski napuno siya sa cheese, pero ang crunchiness sa iyahang
Nachos.
nachos or tortilla chips is
Yeah,
still
the
there.
chips. Oo. So this time, let's try the pizza. We have here the thin crust and the
The
thick
thick.
crust, no? Kani this is meat lovers.
Meat lovers, thin crust.
So naka-square
Meat
cut
lovers.
dahil siya, no? Para
Ay, oo, mas
Oo,
maayo. Actually, you can
naka-square.
request for an 8 slice or kind of square cuts. Kung daghan mo mag-share, much better ang square cuts.
So you have the hot sauce here and the ketchup.
Lamig kailang pepperoni.
And then it's fully loaded. Kita kadaghan juga siya toppings, no? You have the mushroom, the bacon, the pepperoni, and the parmesan cheese.
Ang ilang crust also is perfectly thin. Nandito siya,
Yeah,
dili
yeah.
siya rubbery o consistency.
So katong mga hilig og pizza, ari mo sa Kapinara kay deserve the best pizza.
Yes.
So let's try the Nara pizza.
Okay, I'll do the honors.
No? So lahi siya kay thick crust siya.
Nara, so
Yeah.
isa ni sa ilang mga specialty pizza. Nanong Nara man gani ang
Ano
ilang
na?
pangalan?
Oo, bitaw. Ano
Why?
na siya? Because they have kuan display of bonsai or
Bonsai, more on the Nara tree.
more on the Nara.
Ginahan ko ani daghang mushroom.
Yeah. So I like this one. Mas
I like this one better.
yeah. Cheesy, dagang mushroom, pepperoni. Yeah. Although thick crust pero may kayo.
And the mozzarella cheese.
Yeah.
It's even more tastier than the ano. No? I like this one.
Okay. So let's try the pasta. I think this is
Creamy carbonara.
yeah.
Creamy carbonara.
It's so creamy. And then the pasta is al dente, no?
Yeah.
Kami sa siya.
Ganahan kay ko. Ma-savor dyan nimo ang iyang spices.
Yeah, that's the spices. It has
Yes.
kuan parsley. Oh.
And the
At this time, try ta sa ilang chicken wings. Duha ni ka flavor. I think the garlic and the cheesy. This one is really cheesy.
hindi ko siya taste because it's not parat.
Pero gyud ang timpla, no? Dahil humukot ko ang meat.
Tender ra kaayo ang inahan.
So guys, katong mga hilig kaayo og rice for breakfast, no? Katong mga big breakfast nga dagko jud kaayo ma-consume. Anyway, this is their kanang big breakfast or overload, no? Kay nanatanan and then
Everything
siya
on it.
apple. So, ang sa imong favorite dire? Ay ham, bacon.
Bacon, nagpatulang yan ng ano, ilaha na. So, as you can see mga dear, ilahang bacon is just perfectly cooked. Dili siya crispy. Dili sa siya ano.
I'll try the longganisa.
Great hot.
And dili gawapon siya salty.
Yeah, so pero good.
Okay, kaya ang hamon ka niya ang
And of course, their bestseller dire ang
Bring back.
Yeah, the baby back
Ilang
ribs. No? Also, with rice on the side. And then the barbecue sauce.
Wow!
Actually, you can share it with your date. So, pwede siyang good for two.
Potato on the side of cucumber.
And ready hapon.
Humok cucumber.
Lamig ko siya din.
So guys, ang best seller nila diri sa Cafe Nara is the Nara Latte,
Nara
no?
Latte.
So you have the
I have here the
hot.
hot version of
Both of them
Nara
have
Latte.
the hot.
And this one
And
is
ako
the
ang
ice.
ice. Kaya,
Kami aja deh.
So, mao dyan ilahang signature coffee
Yes.
sa Cafe Nara.
yeah, I really like the Nara Latte. Kaya ang aftertaste na agad siya something, it's nutty. And of course guys, one of the delicacy diri sa Bugo is the torta, no? Ano ninyo mapalit sa Cafe Nara?
Ay, ubi ani eh.
Sila ano.
Yung original din na inalay ng
This one is the classic.
Sige,
Classic.
classic.
Thank
So
you.
let's taste the kuan.
Thank you guys.
Okay, actually, right, before the Cafe Nara started, bigay na ni Gorio speaker.
bigay na.
So, wala pa siguro ko na tao na ano siya.
Oh, really? Bugay na kami.
Siguro lang pa isa ako.
Soft kayo, no? And then, dili kayo siya nga nagkatamis. No?
Mas ganang ko ano ilang classic.
And then, dito tamis yan. Bagay kayo sa coffee.
Yeah. So guys, ang nakanindot diri sa Cafe Nara, no? Kay dako kay lang area. So aside dito sa indoor nila, they have a huge kaning alfresco, no? So nindot kay diri especially in the afternoon nga landong-landong na karon medyo init pa gyud. So pero lamig kay chill diri. Kape-kape. So guys, besides sa cafe, naa diri ang bonsai garden. So they have a lot of displays sa mga bonsai, no? Very nice kayo. So guys, come and visit Cafe Nara here in Bogo City. Yay! So guys, that's it. Another cafe nga atong na-discover diri sa Bogo, no? Ang Cafe Nara. So lami kay ilang mga pagkaon from the pasta, chicken, and pizza. And of course, their specialty coffee, ang Nara Latte. So guys, kung makahapit mo, either on your way to Bantayan Island or pabalik sa city, bisita mo diri sa Cafe Nara. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Ryan Cruz MD. And my Facebook page is Herbert Ryan Cruz. Till next time, thank you. Bye-bye.